In this video, I will show you how to buy PEPE coin on your Coinbase wallet in 2023. So let's jump straight into it. Of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to your Coinbase wallet. So once you've opened up your Coinbase and you've logged in, what you're going to want to do, in the bottom right hand corner, there's a little icon which says Web3. So you want to click onto this one first of all. From here, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top and you've got some options like Explore, Learn and My D apps. What you want to do is click onto Explore. And what we want to do is look for Uniswap. So it should just be down here. If you can't see it down here, it's this one here. But if you can't see it, then just go ahead and type that in the search box up here. You can go ahead and type Uniswap. And you'll see that's going to come up. So what you want to do is press onto that to be taken to uniswap.org. And once you come across to here, the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and connect your wallet. So if you click onto connect in the top right hand corner, press onto your Coinbase wallet, and then go ahead and click the blue connect button to connect your wallet. So once that's connected, what you're going to want to do is first of all make sure you've got Ethereum selected in the top box because this is traded on the Ethereum network. Also in the top left hand corner, you want to make sure you're on the Ethereum network too. So if you click onto this drop down box, you've got some different ones like BNB Chain, Polygon and Arbitrum. So you want to select Ethereum from here, make sure you've got Ethereum in the top box, and then go ahead and click the pink select token icon. Now all you need to do is go ahead and type PEPE into the search box here, and you'll see that's going to come up at the very top. So you just want to press onto this and then go ahead and choose how much you want to swap. So for example, if you put across 5 Ethereum, it's going to tell you how much you're going to get back in PEPE. So you can see at the moment it says insufficient ETH balance. This is just literally because I have no Ethereum coins in my wallet, but if you do have Ethereum available, that's actually going to say swap, like a blue button which will say swap. So if you want to go ahead and buy PEPE coin, what you want to do is click onto the swap button, and that's going to go ahead and allow you to buy PEPE coin on your Coinbase wallet with Ethereum. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.